Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the basics are fixed. Update the phone and apps so background wake locks are patched. Then enable adaptive battery to limit rarely used apps and pick a power mode, medium or maximum for immediate gains. Next, reduce screen brightness, switch to dark mode, and change the refresh rate to 60 Hz if you can tolerate it. These first actions cut the biggest drains, so you can move to deeper cleanup without waiting for slow battery recovery. Once done with basic tweaks, you should target apps and radios. Go into settings and put heavy apps to sleep or uninstall ones you rarely use, because background activity silently eats charge. Then, make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location are off when idle. In low-signal areas, switch to airplane mode to prevent constant tower hunting. Also, disable auto-sync for non-essential accounts and restrict background data. These steps reduce CPU wake. To finish, enable a stricter power-saving profile when you need all-day life and switch to dark wallpapers to reinforce OLED savings. Optimize charging habits by avoiding frequent full cycles and try to keep the battery between about 20% and 80% for longevity. If you still see abnormal drain, reboot the phone and, if needed, boot into safe mode to isolate a misbehaving app. Make sure to check the battery usage screen to identify culprits before resetting or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.